Hello friends, how are you all? I am back with a new video. The topic being discussed in today's video is SEDY 14-piece E-TORX socket set. The SEDY 14-piece E-TORX socket set is a high-quality and versatile toolset designed for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you are working on automotive repairs, machinery maintenance, or general mechanical tasks, this premium socket set offers the durability, precision, and performance needed to get the job done efficiently. One of the standout features of this socket set is its comprehensive 14-piece collection, which includes sizes ranging from E4 to E24. This wide range ensures that users have the right socket for various external Torx fasteners, which are commonly found in modern vehicles and equipment. From small, delicate components to larger bolts requiring higher torque, this set provides the flexibility needed for multiple applications. The premium construction quality of the SEDY socket set is another major advantage. Each socket is made from high-strength chrome vanadium steel, known for its excellent durability and resistance to wear and corrosion. This ensures that the sockets can handle high torque without cracking or deforming, making them suitable for heavy-duty use. The polished finish not only adds to the durability but also makes cleaning and maintenance easier. Another important aspect of this toolset is its precision engineering. The sockets are designed to fit perfectly onto Torx fasteners, reducing the risk of stripping or damaging bolts. This precise fit ensures better torque transfer, allowing users to work more efficiently and safely. Whether you are loosening tight bolts or securing components, the sockets deliver reliable performance every time. The set also offers user convenience and organization. It typically comes with a well-designed storage case that keeps all the sockets neatly arranged and easy to access. This makes it simple to find the right size quickly and keeps your workspace organized. For professionals who need to carry tools between job sites, the compact case adds to the overall portability. In terms of versatility, the SEDY E-TORX socket set is ideal for a wide range of applications. It is especially useful for automotive work, including engine repairs, brake system maintenance, and transmission servicing. Additionally, it can be used for motorcycles, bicycles, and even household mechanical projects. This multi-purpose functionality makes it a valuable addition to any toolbox. Another benefit of this set is its excellent value for money. Compared to many other premium socket sets, the SEDY set offers a balance of affordability and high performance. Users do not have to compromise on quality while staying within a reasonable budget. This makes it an attractive option for both beginners and experienced users looking for a dependable toolset. The ergonomic design of the sockets also contributes to ease of use. They are compatible with standard ratchets and torque wrenches, ensuring smooth operation during tasks. The strong grip and secure fit help reduce hand fatigue and improve efficiency, especially during long working sessions. Overall, the SEDY 14-piece E-TORX socket set stands out as a reliable, durable, and cost-effective solution for handling external Torx fasteners. With its wide range of sizes, strong construction, precise fit, and user-friendly design, it can easily meet the needs of both professionals and hobbyists. If you are looking for a dependable socket set that delivers excellent performance without breaking the bank, the SEDY 14-piece E-TORX socket set is definitely worth considering. Its combination of quality, versatility, and affordability ensures that your investment will not be wasted, making it a smart and practical choice for any toolbox.